Okay, now we have to solve many challenges, but first let us solve the challenge of this texture. You see, we applied a gradient, but it is not looking good and not looking realistic. So we need to have good surface texture, realistic surface textures of all the planets and sun. And what if we have real textures? So let us start searching for. Okay, let us find some textures for our planets, and we will search in Google for sun surface texture, and we will be shown many images. Let us change its copyright tools, usage rights, Creative Commons licenses, and it will show only Creative Commons licenses so that we don't do illegal copying of images. So we have first is Wikimedia Commons, so it is almost always safe to use that. I have opened it in other, and here we say. So we have this Wikimedia Commons, let's see, and all the images are here. And images are of different resolutions. For this application we need a minimum resolution, but if you want to make it interactive and give user option to zoom a planet or zoom a surface area of planet, then you should be using the maximum size available to you. And I think the maximum size images can be obtained from NASA, and I don't know about their copyright situation, but you can search for them. Here most files are 2K 2048 pixels, and even this size is very high for us, but let us start saving these files. For example, this is solar system scope. Let us open it in new tab, and here we have it. Now we have these files and we need to save them in a folder, and for naming them we will see this table. You see, same table, this is name of solar object, and this can be texture file name. I have renamed it according to that, and because these are Windows file names, and so we can have this dash and spaces and 0 at beginning. And for Earth and Moon I have renamed it to 3.0 and 3.1 so that in sorting these files are together. And if we save all these files with this name, it will be very easy and handy to pick up the texture. So let us save them one by one. Okay, to save this file, let us right click, save image as, and browse for our folder Delphi Solar System, and we are here, but we want to create a new folder, and in this new folder we will create a folder like Solar System Textures. And because these are 2K, let us create a new folder for 2K, so even if in future we need to add different files, we can have that option. So 2K, and as we said, we will rename it as 0.sun.jpg. So this will be our first file, and let us find other files. You can search for, you see, for Mercury, Venus, Earth, Moon, Jupiter and Mars. Let me stop the video and copy all these files to that folder, and then we can move on and hope you understand how we are naming these files. So I have copied and downloaded all images and renamed them according to our desired naming scheme, and so that we can use them in our software as we want. And you see here we have this name, and if we see size of these images, it is 980 kilobyte for 10 items, which is almost good. And if we sort them and they are in well sorted organization, and you see tree is earth and moon. And so let us apply all these textures one by one to our solar objects and see how it looks like now. Thanks for watching. This video is part of a multi-video project. Our target is to create a 3D solar system in Delphi FireMonkey without writing a single line of code. Please watch my other videos in the playlist to learn more about the whole project. If you have an exciting product idea or software project, we may work together. Please write me at theqasimshahzad@gmail.com. Thanks and have a wonderful time. Goodbye.